There you go. Careful you don't get it all over your hand.
Get what?
That. Get it back. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video you're going to see predominantly time-lapse footage of me tearing down the Mutt. So Emily's back at work, constraints are a bit tight and we've got the MOT booked and she wants to get out on it, so she's asked me to do all the grafty work. So I'm going to go and get that taken apart, so yeah, join me out there. You do it with your hand there.
I'll do what with my hand?
Undo it.
This?
Yeah. There you go. Careful you don't get it all over your hand.
Get what?
On the other. Don't that. Get it back, quick.
Ow!
Grab it.
Oh! Give me some tissue!
Before it fills up, grab it.
Grab what?
The bolt. You got it?
Yeah!
There you go then. Stephen's coming.
But I want some tissue because it's all over the... Oh.
What happened?
You.
Oh, it didn't happen. I was over here.
Oh. These are going to fall in the goop next.
Should be a spring and seal in there. Or it at the end. At least that's on camera.
Stupid!
Why am I stupid? You're the one that did the stupid thing.
Because I was alright till you joined in.
It's my fault again.
You know I'm hungry.
Yeah.
Why meal?
It's funny.
Small spoon on the outside.
There we go.
There's more goop.
Don't put that face down. Don't put it that way either.
So
Be sensitive to the situation.
So what happens now?
Put it face down, you can damage the ceiling surface. Put it that way down, you're going to scratch all the outside. So put it on something soft, not a concrete slab. Put it on your head.